Hello everyone, this is Jet the Door coming to you to talk about World War Z, the Drone Master class, the Prestige 1 through 4 perks. So as you can see for the Prestige 1 perk we have Ammo Drop. That's the person being followed regains 10% of primary ammo when the Quadrocopter is depleted. And then your Prestige 2 perk is Unfettered. Movement speed penalty when zombies are very close is reduced by 50% for a person followed by your Quadrocopter. And then you also get the Prestige 2 weapon variant for the classic FAMAS as well. I could show you that after the perks. And the Prestige 3 rank is the Spotter. Firearm damage increased by 15% for a person followed by your Quadrocopter. And then your final Prestige 4 perk is Guardian Angel. Person followed by your Quadrocopter will take 10% less damage. And let me show you the weapon real quick. That is a Correction Classic Bullpup rifle. I like to call it the FAMAS. And here goes the Tier 2 weapon variant trait. Scorpion Sting. This weapon deals times 5 damage to zombies and gains +1 penetration when it has 6 or less rounds in the magazine. I don't currently have this unlocked, but definitely gonna like to try this out. It seems like it could be pretty strong in the right situations. And yeah, I'll talk to you and see you guys in my next videos.